Hello, little birdo. What are you up to? Are you trying to escape the pillow barricade? Oh, you coming to get me? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Hi, guy. He's coming to get me. He's coming to get me. Hi. All I see is eyeballs. Oh, that's it. You give up. Oh, we've rekindled his strength, folks. Pull, pull. Are you lost in a sea of blankets and pillows?